Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and then you need to keep holding the button for even a couple more seconds more, because we need to see the Fitbit logo flashing. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. Once you see the logo, keep holding it until it starts flashing, and once it starts flashing, press and hold the side button again and keep holding it until you see this on the screen. Once you see this on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.